In today's topic, we are going to see about forces of nature. So we have so many forces that we experience because of nature. But we consider major forces, four major forces. First one is gravitational force, electromagnetic force, nuclear force, and in nuclear force we have two kinds, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. And in electromagnetic force, both electrical and magnetic force are involved. That is explained by Lorentz law. Okay, so for this today's topic we will deal with gravitational force. Okay, now we have object 1 with mass m1 and object 2 with mass m2. The distance between the two objects is d. So the force of attraction between these two objects is given by F, which is equal to F1, which is equal to F2, which is equal to G into m1 m2 divided by distance square. That means product of the masses divided by distance square, and G is universal gravitational constant, which is given by 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Now if you carefully see this, it is not we are adding F1 and F2. Okay, so object 1 is experiencing a force F2 that is equal to F1. Object 2 is experiencing a force F1 which is also equal to F1. Okay, now this is the idea. This is gravitational force. Okay, now we have two terms. One is gravitational force, another one is gravity. What's the difference between these two things? Gravitational force means applied to any two objects. So this is a general case. If you have any two objects, you can apply gravitational force. You can call by gravitational force. Whereas if we say gravity, it means one of the object is earth and any other object. So one object is earth and we have any other object. Okay, in that case we say gravity. So that's the difference between gravitational force and gravity. Okay, now we will see one simple problem, example problem. Now I want to find gravitational force between earth and moon. See, earth and moon. So E is earth, M is moon in this diagram. So the mass of the earth is given by 6.0 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Mass of moon is given by 7.35 into 10 power 22 kilogram. And the distance between earth and moon is 3.844 into 10 power 8 meter. So force, we have to find the force, that is gravitational force, F. Now we have G. G is what? Universal gravitational constant. You substitute the value, which is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. You substitute that value. Mass of the earth is given here, 6.0 into 10 power 20. You substitute here. Mass of the moon is given. You substitute for m2 divided by distance square. The distance between moon and earth. Moon and earth. That means from this point to this point, this distance. The distance is given by 3.844 into 10 power 8. So what we have here, distance square. That means this value square. Substitute here, and after simplification you will get force, that is gravitational force, is equal to 2 into 10 power 20 Newton. Okay, this is the basic understanding of gravitational force. It is usually attractive. Okay, With this small introduction about gravitational force, I hope you have understood the basic concepts. Thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.